Now, the one that causes the most trouble, because it's kind of the most unique one, is when you have a secant and a tangent from the same point. So a secant and a tangent from the same point. Okay, and what happens is it's outside times whole, which is fine, because that's what it was for the secant. But then it's equal to tangent squared. All right, and it's got a squared in it, so that just is weird. All right, but what happens is you can't have an outside and a whole for a tangent, because the outside and the whole are literally the same thing. All right, so what happens here is instead of saying outside times whole equals outside times whole, and then having to remember that the outside and the whole of the tangent are the same, we have this shorter version, which is outside times whole equals tangent squared. And again, this is because we have similar triangles that we can draw in here if we want to go into a real complicated process. So the outside would be ux, the whole would be uy, and then the tangent is just uv. So you'll end up with uv squared equals ux times ui. And again, if you don't know these rules, you will get every one of these segment questions wrong, because none of them are equal. All right, none of them are equal to each other in the situations that we're talking about in this particular file.